Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Sonia and today's video is going to be all about the Backtalk palette from Urban Decay. It was just released on UrbanDecay.com, Sephora.com, and Sephora stores nationwide. I can't wait to show you guys my tutorial using this palette and then also sharing a comment giveaway at the end of this video, so don't forget to stick around for that. But before we get started, don't forget to like, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you have not already. Join my family. And let's get into it. Okay, so the first thing I want to talk about is obviously the price. It is $46 and I was not surprised at the price, so if that's like shocking that it's $46. It comes with a bunch of things. It comes with, first of all, well, as I open it, it comes with the two blush here. This was just worked out as like a really nice shimmery, it says low-key, okay, like a low-key highlight. But this one, Party Foul Girl, that one is like blinding. I put a little bit of that up here and oh my goodness, it's amazing. I really liked Double Take and I didn't try out Cheap Shot yet, but it's going to be gorgeous. I love those cool blushes because I just feel like they complement everybody's skin tone. So my favorite eyeshadow out of the whole bunch would have to be Attitude. Attitude is such a gorgeous color. It's kind of like that cranberry color that you love in all of their palettes. Shade is one of my new favorites now that I've used it. It's in my crease here. You can't go wrong with a matte, like taupey, kind of like a brownie color, nude, but more on the tan side. Okay, that's what WTF is all about. 180 is so nice in the crease without going black. You know what I'm saying? Like, it's not too dark. You can still smoke it out. Underneath that line here, your lash line is going to be amazing. Backtalk is going to be your transition color. 3 sheets is way too light for me. It's kind of on the chalky side, so I'm going to avoid that bad boy at all cost. Bare and Curve are very, very similar, except for one is more on the beige side and one is more on the mauve side. But yeah, overall, I absolutely love this palette. It's so nice, and this video is not sponsored, so don't get excited. Like, I can literally love something without getting paid to say that. You know what I mean? The overall structure of this palette is nice. It actually kind of reminds me of the Gigi Hadid Maybelline palette because it's like cardboard. I'm definitely going to have to keep this off of any countertops unattended because it's gonna stress me out. The packaging is stressing me out already. I know, I need to chill out. I do love the fact that the mirror is detachable. That's really cool because especially if you're blind and you need to get really close to your face like me, I can't see that far. I can't see with other things in the way. So I love the fact that I can take it off. I just wish that this was a lot bigger. Or maybe it came with like a secret handle because every time I pull it out, I keep putting my fingertips. Can you see the marks? I keep putting my nasty finger marks all over my mirror. I should have used a thicker, stronger base, an eyeshadow base, so that my eyeshadow didn't fall so much. The eyeshadow color is so pretty, and it's actually something that I probably would have never done if it wasn't in this palette. It kind of makes me a little bit more confident. I love it. And now we're gonna get into the tutorial. So the color that I'm going to be using today all over my lids is going to be one called Attitude, and I'm just going to go ahead and go in with a blending brush and kind of pat it onto my lids first, and then I'm going to go in and blend it out. But I'm just going to really load up my lid, and hopefully there's not too much fallout because I'm just not interested in baking. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a flat shader brush, which I suppose I could have used that for my lids as well, but I just felt like I covered so much more. Since this particular shader brush is kind of like smaller and tighter, I'm going to go right underneath my eyes. Next I'm going to take a shade called Shade, and I'm going to go in with a tighter domed brush, go right into my crease and just start to build up that purpley color. Now these are going to look so pretty together because they're like sister shades, and I just love the way that it looks right in my crease. It's a very subtle color change, but so necessary, and it looks so pretty. Oh, there's just so much fallout. So annoying. Okay, and then I'm going to take a fluffy brush and then go back in and just blend everything out. Next, I'm going to take that flat shader brush again with that shade color and just concentrate on the outer bottom right here. I'm going to be adding a couple of coats of mascara. This one is Better Than Sex from Too Faced. Then I'm going to pop on some old, dusty, crusty ass eyelashes. Those are the 113 from Ardell. I've used them probably about 4 times now, so they're looking real good, real natural. So I'm going to pop those on, and then we're going to continue with a little bit of blush and highlight on my face. What a difference eyelashes make, because I'm a half amphibian. I'm a frog mama, and I need my eyelashes because if I don't have them, it doesn't look right. I don't know, I'm just so used to my eyes with eyelashes, so they have to be on there. So I'm going to take a little bit of double take, load up my brush, and then I'm just going to go ahead and barely, I'm going to whack my face with it right here, right on the apples of my cheeks. Okay. Same thing on the other side. I think I'm going to do low key, but I'm going to use my blush brush just because it kind of reminds me of Papa Don't Preach or Papa Don't Peach from Too Faced Cosmetics that I really, really love. It's got a little bit of shimmer in it, so it's still going to look really pretty. Can you see that? I am going to go in with that Party Foul, load it up, and then just take it right here. Whoa, whoa, wowzers, oh my, whoa, hello, you guys, that is insanity. Yes, Urban Decay, come through. Absolutely love it. But I am going to use a little bit of Zero, which is just our black 24 hours, or is it 20? Yeah, it's 24/7 GlideOn pencil. I'm going to use a little bit of that on the outer corner. Just like that, just to deepen it up just a bit. This is kind of like sexy goth. I didn't think I was going to like this, but I'm like, okay. So for the giveaway, all you have to do is 3 things. You're going to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and leave a comment. Now you can leave a comment as much as you want, just as long as you do those first 2 things. Those are like top priority. Also, come back to this channel in 4 days time. I'm gonna put the winner's name in my description box. And if you do not respond to me in a timely manner, I'm gonna have to pick someone else. I'm gonna give them 2 days, and if they don't respond in 2 days, I'm gonna find somebody else. I love doing giveaways. I've got a ton of things to give away, so make sure you guys stick around for that. Do not be discouraged if you do not win. Okay? Love you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!